We're doing our live tonight, but it's pre-recorded, so it'll be playing. We are going to watch midget wrestling, and we're going to watch it from the boat. We do have one barrel a little worse for wear here, but it's still got 7 on this side that are good and 8 on the other. We're going to run it. Well, I say from the boat. Let's see if it fires up. Give it a little choke action here, and hopefully the battery is dead. Let her clear out a little. I gotta move that chair and make sure the wheel works. We're in good shape. We'll watch midget wrestling from the boat tonight. Right after I repair a couple wires and find what I did with the new tags. I know I bought them.